Have you ever changed yourself before someone ever asked you to? You wanted to say something, but thought maybe I shouldn't. You wanted to dress differently, speak differently, dream bigger, but somewhere inside you heard, don't make people uncomfortable. What if you have been calling it being humble when actually you have been making yourself smaller to feel safe? हाय आई एम प्रियंका फाउंडर ऑफ सोल रीसेट हीलिंग और आज मैं आपसे एक ऐसी हैबिट के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ जो बाहर से बहुत इनोसेंट लगती है बट अंदर से आपकी आइडेंटिटी स्लोली इरेज कर सकती है। श्रिंकिंग योरसेल्फ। मे बी आप मीटिंग में आइडिया लेकर जाते हो बट किसी और ने सेम आइडिया बोल दिया तो आप शांत रहते हो। आपको प्रमोशन चाहिए और जब कोई पूछता है आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट रोल देन यू इमीडिएटली से आई एम नॉट श्योर even though somewhere inside you know you are capable. Maybe someone compliments you, instead of saying thank you, you immediately say, oh no, it's nothing. I just got lucky. Anyone could have done this. Notice that. But here's the question I really want you to sit with. How many times have you made yourself smaller just so someone else could stay comfortable around you? Because this gets deeper. कभी आपने नोटिस किया है या आप किसी रूम में एंटर करते हैं और ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेट करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कितना बोलना है, ज्यादा एक्साइटेड तो नहीं लगेंगे, ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट तो नहीं लगेंगे, ओवर तो नहीं हो जाएगा। और अगर मैंने अपनी ओपिनियन क्लियरली बोल दी तो, एंड स्पेशली जब सामने वाला आपसे ज्यादा पावरफुल, सक्सेस, ओल्डर या कॉन्फिडेंट हो, आप अपनी प्रेजेंस थोड़ी सी रिड्यूस कर देते हैं। वॉइस सॉफ्टर, ओपिनियन स्मॉलर, ड्रीम सॉफ्ट, एक्सपेक्टेशन स्मॉल, और फिर आप घर आकर सोचते हैं व्हाई डिडंट आई जस्ट से। You learned that being accepted was safer than being fully yourself. You are not always too much. Sometimes you simply been around people who only knew how to handle. जरा सोचिए, आपको कोई genuinely appreciate करता है. They say you are really good at this. Instead of receiving it, you explain it away. No, I just got lucky. It wasn't that much difficult. You also can do this. There are so many people better than me. Why? Because receiving appreciation can feel uncomfortable when you have spent years of making yourself small. And there's another cost. आपको लगता है nobody really sees me. But कभी-कभी the painful truth is people can't fully see you because you haven't allowed them. Not because you are doing something wrong, but because you learn to edit yourself. And I want you to remember something. Being easy to accept is not the same as being deeply loved. Real connection requires the real you. How do we stop shrinking? Not by suddenly becoming loud, not by proving yourself, not by becoming arrogant. Start much smaller. Next time someone asks, what do you think? Don't immediately say, whatever you think is fine. Just take a pause and tell the truth. Actually, I see it differently. Someone compliments you, don't explain it away. Just say, thank you so much. Someone asks what you want. Don't give the answer you think they will be like. Give your answer one honest sentence at a time. That's how you come back to yourself. And if saying what you really think feels scary, don't shame yourself because the smaller version of you was probably created for a reason. Maybe it was trying to protect you. So instead of fighting that part, let's meet it with compassion. Small healing practice. If you're comfortable, gently close your eyes, place both of your hands on your heart, slowly deep breathe in and out. Now think about a moment when you made yourself smaller. No practice. Be in that moment. Repeat after me. I am sorry for the times I abandoned my own truth. Please forgive me for making myself smaller. Thank you so much for protecting me when I didn't know another way. I love you. Take another deep breath and say, I give myself permission to take up space. I give myself permission to be seen. Important affirmations for you. Just repeat after me. I am allowed to be fully myself. My voice deserves to be heard. I do not need to shrink to belong. I can be confident without becoming arrogant. And today's important affirmation, I no longer trade my authenticity for acceptance. Just take a deep breath. आज एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट कीजिए, बस एक. When someone asks you what you want, Tell them honestly. Someone compliments you, say thank you from deep your heart. You have an idea, speak about it. You disagree? Just express it. Just stop editing yourself one sentence at a time. Because your presence is not a problem that need to be managed. Your dreams are not an inconvenience. Your voice is not too much. And maybe the world doesn't need a smaller version of you. Maybe it needs you, the version you finally stop hiding. अगर ये कॉन्वर्सेशन आपको डीपली कनेक्ट हुई है तो कमेंट में लिखिए आई विल नॉट श्रिंक टू बी एक्सेप्टेड. सभी पैटर्न्स आपका पोटेंशियल रोक रहे हैं. यू डोंट हैव टू नेविगेट इट अलोन. विजिट www.soulresethealing.com and explore my personalized healing and life coaching sessions. Like this video and subscribe to our channel Soul Reset Healing by Priyanka. Share it with someone who needs this reminder. And this is Priyanka from the Soul Reset Healing. Until the next video, stay connected, evolve within, transform everything. Thank you.